From the KNH drama, parents of the Chebuyusi High School in the county of Kakamega are heading to court to challenge the cancellation of the school's KCSE exam results. They said psychological torture meted on the candidates and their families was totally unacceptable. William Lusige reports from Kakamega.
Parents in school leadership at Chebuyusi High School in Kakamega are planning to take the Kenyan National Examination Council to court over cancellation of KCSE exam results.
The rule of natural justice inasema kwamba you are innocent until proven guilty. So tunasema kwamba mtihani na zile results ambazo wanafunzi walipata kwa portal na zile results ambazo NEC ilipitisha na ikatuletea katika shule yetu ya Chebuyusi zitabaki hivyo hivyo paka kesi iamuliwe katika kotini. And I want to give a stern warning to Matiang'i. Matiang'i sasa ameanza kuingilia masuala yote. He wants to manage even schools. He wants to get even to staff room. Manage masuala ya walimu. Ningependa kuambia Matiang'i ya kwamba there are independent bodies in the Ministry of Education.
The Kenyan National Examination Council cancelled the results last week amid claims that the action was taken after immense pressure from political leaders and principals of neighboring schools.
Bila release mtihani mapema tujue kwamba imefanya kazi yake. Wazazi tukasherekea, viongozi tukasherekea, tukashukuru Mungu. Kumbe jamaa hakuwa tayari. After 1 month ndiye anakuja kusema ana cancel mtihani. In fact, it shows that he's not even competent to occupy that position that he is having. Why should you give an excitement to people? Watu washerekee, then baadaye unasema mtihani ilikuwa leaked.
Confirming the cancellation of the results, the school principal Boniface Okoth accused NEC for failing to provide clear reasons for their move.
Nilipofika huko, Profesa Magoha alikuja na akasema kwamba wamecancel matokeo ya Chebuyusi. Na mimi kama kawaida yangu sikukubali. Nikabeba mkono, nikamwambia Professor, you have shocked us. Kwa sababu sisi hatuna habari yoyote, hakuna mtu amekuja shule kuchunguza Chebuyusi. Ukituambia umecancel matokeo, that is very unfair to us.
The school got a mean score of 8.99 with all 190 candidates attaining the minimum university entry points. They ranked 16th nationally, second in Western and top in Kakamega County. NEC chairman Professor George Magoha said the reason why the results were cancelled is because there was collusion among students during the examination period in biology and chemistry practicals. Already NEC has uploaded the cancelled results on its portal. Willie Lusige, KTN News.